Lesson number 8, pending orders. We have opened a position by using current price level in the previous lesson. Now we will try to enter a position from another price level. There are 4 types of pending orders in MetaTrader platform. Let's try to understand those respectfully. As you know, instant orders are of 2 types, buy and sell. Now consider to place these orders above and below the current price. In this case, there are 4 options. When you want to buy at any level below the current price, you use the buy limit order. When you want to sell at any level below the current price, you use the sell stop order. When you want to buy at any level above the current price, you use the buy stop order. When you want to sell at any level above the current price, you use the sell limit order. Now let's try to create some examples about pending orders. We have Euro USD chart in our screen, and the price is around 1.2052 level. Now let's assume that we want to sell 2 lots of Euro USD from 1.21 price level instead of current price. Let's first open our order window. Let's change order type to pending order. We want to sell above the current price level, so we have to select sell limit to accomplish this. We type the lot amount into the volume field. We enter the price level from where we want to sell into this field. Now the only thing to do is to send your order. Our order will be displayed on the chart after we click on the place button. After that, it's not a problem if we close our program or our computer, as our order is now in the brokerage company servers. Even we are offline, the brokerage company will execute the order when the current price level reaches our pending order price. You can cancel your pending order before it's executed. To cancel a pending order, please double-click on the order. The order will be canceled as you click on Delete button. Now let's make a buy order example. Let's assume that we want to open a pending order at the price 1.1900. Let's open order window and change the order type to pending. We have to select buy limit as we want to buy a position below the current price. We select the lot size and price level. Our order will be placed after we hit on the place button and will be displayed on the chart. We delete the demo pending order and complete the pending order section. Please move to the next lesson.